before we decide either to praise the planet or to destroy it, we pause for a moment of silence. I don't mean that kind of moody silence which one observes when somebody says such and such a famous person has just died, and we'll observe a moment of silence in his honor. And everybody frowns and thinks very serious thoughts. That's not silence at all. I mean real silence, in which you stop and experience reality as reality is. So in the same way you can ask, what does it mean? What's a cloud mean? What's a fern mean? What's it all about? Things don't mean anything. Words don't mean anything. Trees don't mean anything. Words mean something, yes. Because they point to something beyond themselves.